Hello, I'm Riley with Lawn Equipment, and today we're going to talk about the Metal Pless. This specific model here is the 83013 with the live edge. So for this, the 83013, what that is an 8-foot mold board, 30 inches tall, and then fully open like this, gets you 13 feet with the intricate live edge design on the bottom here. So this one here is paired with the actual skid steer quick attach coupler. This plow here is rated for an 8 to a 12,000 pound machine, either in your skid steers, your compact track loaders, or even small wheel loaders like this. A nice thing with Metal Pless is the intricate design, as you can see here. They got sections here on each side, which helps you roll the snow. As well with this as well, you see the heavy duty shoes with the steel carbide tips. At the very bottom here as well, this is going to be the live edge technology. So every 2 feet, you help get that contour of the ground, giving you a nice clean scrape. It does have the intricate of going up and down and oscillating side to side as well. The wings as well have kind of the design as well as a spring trip design. So again, once you hit something, it hits and then springs back, along with the intricate curb runners as well to keeping snow away from the curb. Obviously, you're going to have to put auxiliary hoses on it as well. This will be your diverter valve, which will independently control the mold board, and then switching the diverter valve will do your left wing and or your right wing as well. So this is the live box version. So for this one here, there is no auxiliary couplers that are required for it. It is basically a standard snow pusher, but with Metal Pless's intricate live edge design across the bottom. On the very far side here, you can see these are going to be your level indicators. Obviously, we're on uneven ground right now, so you will see, but once they are in line here, that'll mean that you are following the contour of the ground. Obviously down here, you've got the standard skid shoes. These are going to be steel. They are not going to be a carbide per se. So they have the floating frame on it, so it does help save a little bit of the wear, but most of the cutting is going to be done by the AR400 live edge technology by Metal Pless. It's as easy as hooking up any attachment. For this one here, again, this does have the intricate skid steer design. So by going on the inside of the cab, pressing the auxiliary buttons drives the skid steer shoes down and able to roll into the attachment and use it. So with the live box version compared to the other Metal Pless version that we talked about earlier, as you can see, there's no wings that are required for here, which requires no auxiliary hydraulics. And I'm going to jump in this machine here and show you how it's done. Raising the machine off the ground a little bit, pushing the auxiliaries in, locking it in design, and then raising it up, tilting it to make sure that it's in the locked position. And then going back down, finding that level ground, and seeing how that red design there kind of locks in place, again on uneven ground, but you can see the design. So this is the live box version. Like I said, this is a 12-foot mold board, 32 inches tall, with the live edge design on the bottom. So again, this is for your contractors that are on a little bit of a budget. Instead of spending the hydraulic wing attachment for Metal Pless, this will go on to your 8,000 to 13,000 pound track skid steers, wheel loaders, and small skid steers as well. Again, we have more of the live box versions here for your full-size loaders. We do have the combination here for the 416s. We have Cat Fusion, and we do have some Volvos as well. Again, these will be the 14, 42, so 14-foot mold board, 42 inches tall, and it does also have the intricate live edge design as well on the bottom. And as you see here as well too, we do have the larger Pro Max as well. This one here also is outfitted with the 416 couplers. We can get your Cat Fusion and your Volvo couplers as well. We have many different sizes here at Lawn Equipment. Stop by any of our stores today and see one of our sales professionals.